Karaj Bhawan ha nong ba shalong kalaki im daki program tanrai ki babon hadien balaraki ka sngi seng lani ka foundation day jong gajala Goa bat Telangana kat ba gajala Goa karaki ka sngi seng ya ka ha kalai hutrik ubnai jemang bat ka jala Telangana pat ha ka artrik ubnai jendio lalet buram ya baro artli ki jala ha ka program bakerpang bala pelong mentaka sngi ulat ke jala Meghalaya UCH Vijaya Shankar ula ajengran ha ka diga sngi ling ba ka video ki balai don lang ha ka diga sngi ki kuntup ya commissioner bat secretary jong ulat u BDR Tiwari bat u director jong ka Indian Council for Cultural Relations ICCR u Munish Singh ha ka diga jing rakhe ladon ka jing ai khubor ling ba ka video nakilat jong ka jala Goa bat Telangana ringkat bat bonteli ki program tanrai kini ki kuntup ya katem ka put tanrai ka shat ka komen bat kiwe ki bapen paw ka culture bat kariti dastur barius pa jong baro artli ki jilla.
As we all know, the India is one of the most vibrant and largest populated country at present. So different state has their own uniqueness, cultural vibration, diversity, and in each Raj Bhavan used to celebrate along with the people from those states in the particular state and with the common people, to give the glimpse of the cultural richness and the different perspective of that state, including the struggle and their contribution in making our India great. So we are very fortunate in this celebration. Our First Lady, Srimati Babita Vijay Shankar ma'am is here in our midst. Madam, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. So with her kind presence, as due to some health issues, Honorable His Excellency could not sit for this prolonged program. So he has given his message. He will address this gathering in the digital mode, and his feeling and all blessings and best wishes for this program I would like to convey here. But area-wise, smallest state, but having very prolonged historical, cultural and geographical importance of that region. If we go in the history and in the myth, it is believed that sixth incarnation of Bhagwan Vishnu Parasuram ji with his Parsa, he carved out that land from the ocean, and this entire western Ghat from Maharashtra till Kerala, that land has been taken away from the sea, and still it is very unique phenomena of that area. Most of the areas are affected with the storms and so many things from the seaside, but that area hardly have any historical evidence. So, and that very unique port of India from very ancient time, and that become the capital of Kadamba kingdom in 4th century, and the Kadambas are credited to have the maximum number of, which was the empire established by Sri Mayur Sarman in 4th century, and he credited to have the 18 Aswamedh Yagyas from there. And still Goa carries the legacy of Kadambas, and after that different kingdoms, Satvahans, Yadav kingdom, Rashtrakuts, Chalukyas, and during the medieval era, it became very, the kingdoms of Vijayanagar and Bahmani, they have long battled to capture the Goa port. And later on the Portuguese, they captured this part along with Daman, Diu and some other small territories and ruled over more than 400 years. And lastly, Goa became integral part of Indian Union in 1961 with a military intervention and a freedom struggle where some great leaders like Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia led a very prominent role and getting this part independent from the Portuguese, and it became an international issue also, but the diplomatic effort of government of India somehow been sustained, and Goa is now one of the most prosperous, very unique in terms of cultural diversity as well as its economic importance. Telangana is a new state formed in 2014 on the 2nd June today, and it is 11th statehood day for the Telangana. If we go in the history, that area has very rich and vibrant history, and from Mauryan era and so on, we got a lot of historical evidence ruled by so many great empires. The Golconda kingdom, as well as you see the Kohinoor, the diamond, one of the most precious, is also from the Golconda itself. And Golconda fort is the hub in the Hyderabad city and ruled by Kakatiyas of Warangal. It got very prominent importance in Indian history, as well as the Eastern Chalukyas previous to that, and later on by the Rashtrakutas, Satvahan previous to that, and moreover in the part of Bahmani kingdom. Once the kingdom has been bifurcated in 5 kingdoms, so the Golconda kingdom was there and present day Telangana, and later on it